Accept your past with no regrets. Handle your present with confidence and face your future with no fear. Yesterday I was grateful, tomorrow I will be thankful, but for now I am blessed. The greatest conflicts are not between two people but between one person and himself. Your tears express words that your heart can't say. When you have someone special in your life, do not run it by making stupid decisions. There's just not use toilet paper in the world to clean up all the scrap some people create. But friendship is precious not only in the shade but in the sunshine of life. And thanks to a benevolent arrangement of things, the grateful part of life is sunshine. Vision without action is a daydream. Action without vision is a nightmare. Japan's proud P. You must be then master of your emotions if you wish to live in peace. For he who can control myself comes free. Every future turns into past. The reasons of your past status what you are today. It's not your decisions what you are today, but what you will be tomorrow. This is when a part of your decision comes into play. Look deeper at your problems and you will see gifts, lessons, and opportunities of growth. Once you make the decision to move on, do not look back. Your destiny will never be found is the rear view mirror. The past cannot be changed, forgotten, edited, or erased. It can only be accepted. Today I sent out a text saying, "Hey, I lost my phone. Will you call it 12 people? Call it me. I need smarter friends." It is an open question whether any behavior based on fear of eternal punishment can be regarded as ethical or should be graded as moral crowdly. If we could see others the way they see themselves, it would challenge everything about how we relate to each other. The day soldiers of bringing you their problems is the day you have stopped learning them. It is always nice to be genius. Be careful though. Some people mistake generosity for dependently. Some people come into your life just to teach you how to get go. Live more companion less more. Smiles less trees streets less hate more blessed. Life is too short to spend it with people you do not like. If you leave someone at least tell them why because what's more painful than being abandoned is knowing you are no worth an explanation. Take controls and make it happen. Do not waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. No matter how bad things get, something good is out there, just over the horizon. Confidence comes from hours and days and weeks and years of constant works and dedication. Silence is a power only in the hands of ignorant minds, but weakness is the mind of helpless persons. If you rush it, you won't be prepared for it when it appeared allow nature to take its course without trying to force. Never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. Sometimes you have to love people from a distance and give them the space and time to get their minds right before you let them back into your life. Any time that you spend judging someone else is time that you could be using for self-improvement. Rise about difficult people in your life. What you put up with is what you end up with. Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a hard one. If you allow people to make more withdrawals than deposit in your life, you will soon be in the negative. Now when to close the account. Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself on the inside and out. A smile is a symbol of expectance and approval, which is something most of the people in the world desperately need. Never let the irrelevant opinion of others people cut your vision of yourself. Get rid of all debates and just go for it. It is the people who touch our lives for the shortest time that are the hardest to forget. Thanks for watching.